Hello, sports fans, and welcome to a special edition Scott Sports 101 Cleveland Indians postgame show, opening day postgame show, I might add. Well, the Tribe got shut out in their opening day game against the Minnesota Twins by the final score of 2-0. Corey Kluber suffers another opening day loss for the second straight year in a row, and Jose Barrios gets the win for the Minnesota Twins. There was good starting pitching in today's game, but a lack of offense. Offense caused the Tribe to. But there was a lack of offense in today's game. The offense just did struggle a little bit today in this game, and it was a tough day for the Tribe. They struck out 10 times, and Kluber went 7 solid innings, giving up 4 hits and 2 earned runs, and Kluber struck out 5. The bullpen did a superb job, but Kluber's 2 runs he gave up in the 7th cost the Tribe the game. And they just, Barrios gave the Tribe some luck, but he always managed to get out of the inning, and the Tribe just could not get on the board, and Tribe had several golden opportunities to try to get on the board, but they just could not capitalize on it, and it just was not a good day for the Tribe in their first game on opening day. But it's only one game. We're going to win a lot more games this year, so do not panic, do not worry. We will win games. Do not worry. And Terry Francona, I mean, he knows what he's doing. I think there's going to be some moves made during the season, but the lack of offense is really what did the Tribe in today, I feel. And I really feel that is what did the Tribe in. And Francona said he knew where we faltered and struggled a bit, and where things did him in. And they had a chance in the 7th, but Miller struck out in the 7th inning, and it just could not get it together, and they just could not get on the board. And but Kluber pitched very well today. 7 solid innings, even though giving up 2 runs on 4 hits. But the Tribe only got 2 hits today, and that came in the 7th inning. That's when it came in, and they just could not get those guys home to get on the board. They just couldn't do it today. But it's only one game, and so we're bound to win more. And I know that's what we're wanting. But do not worry. You don't need to panic, but we will win games. Do not worry. So just do not panic, because we will win some games. No need to fret on this. But we will start winning. The Tribe is off tomorrow, but they will try to take game 2 of this series with the Twins on Saturday. Trevor Bauer on the mound for the Tribe, and Jake Odorizzi on the mound for the Twins. And the first pitch is at 2:10 on Sports Time, Ohio. And I just really feel this was a good game, though, even though it was a shutout for the Tribe. And I feel the Tribe should have been able to get on the board in this game, but they just faltered and just could not. We just were not able to capitalize and really get on the board and just really try to get back in this thing. But, hey, as I said before, it's only one game. We're bound to get more wins, so you don't need to panic at this point in time, because it's early in the season yet. It's early. It is really early in the season yet. And, I mean, you got to give the Tribe some time. It's early yet. But we will win games. Hopefully we're going to try to take Saturday's game against the Twins. So we'll see if we can bounce back then. And the pregame show, my previous podcast, was my 199th video, but this video right now that I'm doing, this Cleveland Indians Scott Sports 101 Cleveland Indians postgame show, this video right now, this podcast, is my 200th podcast, and I want to take this opportunity to thank all my 20 subscribers and everybody who's checked me out for watching my YouTube channel and really viewing my videos and really giving me just lots of great views and lots of comments on my discussion page, and I hope that you'll continue to watch to view Scott Sports 101, my YouTube channel. And I'm going to continue to spruce things up and come up with new ideas and new segments for this. Like my one I've already come up with, I'm reliving great moments in sports history, and I relived a great moment in Cleveland Indians sports history today on my pregame show. And I want to come up with something to commemorate with hopefully an homage to commemorate my 200th video. So I'm going to try to. So just keep a lookout for that. I'll keep you posted on it when it might happen, but it's going to be a little while yet. But I will come up with something to commemorate this 200th video of Scott Sports 101, because I'm really enjoying doing it. I've almost been doing it a whole year since April of last year, and I'm going to keep on doing it even when I get my career going in sports broadcasting. I'm going to keep doing this YouTube channel. It'll always be an ongoing thing. So it's going to get even better and better. So I hope you continue to watch and view Scott Sports 101 on YouTube online. And keep putting comments on my discussion page or on my email address, scottsports101@gmail.com. Because I really enjoy doing this, and I love my views, and I love having my guests on, and I really enjoy this. I love it. I love broadcasting, and it's just something that I really enjoy doing, and I just feel, and I really feel I love it, and I'm going to keep on doing it because I love just doing podcasts, getting the experience, and I love just broadcasting to you all out there on the internet, on YouTube, and all over the world, and it really just makes me feel good and warms my heart. And getting back to the Tribe, and they're 2-0 loss today, but I really feel this has been a great day, and opening day is always a celebration for the Tribe and Tribe fans. Even though we didn't win today, it's been a really great day for the Tribe and Tribe fans. Even though it was a tough day for them, we all enjoy opening day, and Monday will be the home opener, which I will do another special edition to commemorate the Tribe home opener here in Cleveland, and I will have a pregame and postgame show for that. So be sure to tune in for that, and that's going to be a really special day as well. And it's going to be here in Cleveland, and I'll have my Tribe gear on again, and it's going to be here in Cleveland. Fans are going to be ecstatic and really excited. Hopefully, we'll take these other two games against the Twins, but the offense needs to really get going for the Tribe. They've got to really work hard, and they've got to really help the Tribe get a win in every way possible. And I just feel I want to thank you all for joining me today on my pregame show, my 199th video, and now my postgame show, which is my 200th video podcast of Scott Sports 101. And there's going to be a lot more to come, a lot more stuff. I want to have a lot more segments, and it's just going to keep getting better and better as time wears on and as the years go by. Year after year, it's really going to get better. So be sure to keep watching Scott Sports 101, and I really appreciate all of my subscribers. I have all 20 of my subscribers. I appreciate them all, and I appreciate all of you who haven't subscribed yet, who have been watching it, which I hope that you will, because I want to get a lot more subscribers. I want that 20 to go up. And I want to get a lot more views. I want a lot more comments on my discussion page. So I hope you continue to do that. And so I really appreciate it. And I say thank you to my 20 subscribers and everybody who's viewed it already and who's made these 200 video and all the videos I have really fun to do. And I know you've had a lot of fun watching them and getting a lot out of them as well. As I say before, I must say it again. That's just about going to wrap it up for this Scott Sports 101 Cleveland Indians post-game show and a special edition of it today. So, as I say, time and time, every time at the end of my podcast, as I always say, always remember, be a team player each and every day, in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1. I'm done.